Is ClickUp easy to use? Let's be real. You're probably sitting there, staring at your overflowing to-do list, thinking, I need a miracle. And maybe you've heard about ClickUp. But is it really the productivity panacea everyone claims it is? Can a tool that promises to manage everything from your grocery list to your global marketing campaign actually be easy to use? Let's find out. First off, what is ClickUp? It's a project management tool that's been making waves. It touts itself as an all-in-one solution for teams of all sizes. But is it just another shiny object? Or does it actually deliver? Let's break it down. The core concept of ClickUp is pretty straightforward. It's built around spaces, which are basically workspaces for different areas of your life or business. Within these spaces, you create folders, lists, and tasks. Sounds simple enough, right? But here's the thing. While the basic structure is easy to grasp, ClickUp's power lies in its flexibility. It's like a chameleon of project management tools. Need a Kanban board? ClickUp's got you covered. Prefer a Gantt chart? No problem. How about a mind map? Absolutely. This adaptability is a huge plus, but it can also be overwhelming for newbies. Now, let's talk about the user interface. ClickUp's design is generally clean and intuitive. The icons are clear, and the layout is logical. However, there's a learning curve. The more you dive into ClickUp's features, the more complex the interface becomes. It's like peeling an onion. There's always another layer. So, is ClickUp easy to use? The short answer is, it depends. If you're a minimalist who just needs a simple to-do list, you might find ClickUp a bit overkill. But if you're a project manager juggling multiple complex projects and teams, ClickUp's power and flexibility could be a game changer. The key to mastering ClickUp is starting small. Begin by using just a few core features and gradually expand your usage as you become more comfortable. Don't try to do everything at once. Another thing to consider is ClickUp's vast array of integrations. From Google Drive to Slack, it can connect with pretty much anything. This is fantastic for streamlining workflows, but it can also add complexity. So, is ClickUp worth the effort? That's a question only you can answer. If you're willing to invest the time to learn its ins and outs, ClickUp has the potential to be a powerful tool. But if you need something quick and simple, there might be better options out there. Ultimately, the ease of use of any tool depends on your individual needs and preferences. ClickUp is a versatile platform, but it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.